people. So who's your top 5? All time, greatest dancehall artist of all time.
A few moments later.
Alkaline.
Bumbo rascal. Jamaica, stop!
Somebody come and look at this. Look at this.
So wait there, the man have a youth a forward and a grand pitney a forward same time. Bumbo clot. Hadija Palmer. You know you say 13 years and still a shoot. Them can't hold them. So wait there, stop a minute. Alkaline. Here we are going now. So you know
Suck your mother. You remove your pussy hole and come down.
If you think say Alkaline is a girl, you think that Alkaline on the pitney, and you feel and think that Alkaline is supposed to prove something to you by showing you his kids are kid. I don't know what you think about you.
2,000 years later.
Let's chat about that. Look on a idiot, yeah. This a man, yeah. Pile boss.
Me I gotta tell you the God Almighty truth. See? You know what Reggae show me? Eh? Someone sick on nobody, dog. I swear to you.
Jesus, please. It's like, no man.
1 eternity later.
My sorry say Alkaline never dey on the show. I'm just saying. My sorry say Alkaline never dey on the show. And yeah, my sorry say Alkaline never dey on the show and they over the massacre part.
You did who? All of them a call up my name forget the eye. Me nah give them no eye. They're going dead for hungry.
Yo, me DJ. You know we are video that defender now. And I look funny from what you know. I never do no video from what you. Because I realize no matter what you do in the music Alkaline, them not give everything me DJ.
you don't know what you truth and facts. Big up.
Media facts. How the latest news them lock.
So Vendetta boss represent fully.
I don't know one media facts pan up, you know. Yeah, man. So people, you know, so I see that video, yeah. Using, but never know what go on in it. I just scroll past and things. I just think it was just a regular interview. But then when I look, I see people start tag me and say media facts. Look pan the video, yeah. And I look pan it and I see say, oh, that a go on. You see me, Malie and things. So what about you, Malie I say? You see me?
People, so who's your top 5? All time, greatest dancehall artist of all time.
Vibes Cartel. I would say I would most definitely have Squash on it. Squash definitely.
That's too okay.
Movado. Alkaline. Massacre. I can't name all of them, but you don't know.
Yo, Jaja, I say, when you're looking at comment for this video, people them go say, Alkaline. You know, when it comes to top 5, you see when you call Alkaline night, it a go viral. Remember the same thing with Skilly Bang. Them beat Skilly Bang. Them say one bag of thing, then Skilly Bang do one next interview. The same thing. You understand? When an artist call Alkaline name, it's like, yo, just know say, yo, a bag of thing I go on. You understand? But we been know that the youths them look up to Alkaline. You understand? Remember say Alkaline come open that door there for the youths them where say, yo, no need to depend on nobody for no bus and all of them little thing there. You see me? And I think even when Malie did that, when Malie did that Clash Connect line, you know, Malie did drop the last song, you know, and the man I use Alkaline flow, you know. I think his song with name our State of Emergency. Something like so. Yeah, State of Emergency. Where Alkaline do for Squash. I eat the man use for Chronic Law. You understand? That like a flow the Alkaline use. So them been a watch. The youth them been a watch Alkaline and Squash war them. You understand? Them been a see how Alkaline move. Them respect Alkaline. Is it? I just show you don't know the system set already. Society make it look like say, yo, only certain people look up to, but the whole of them watch and see what Alkaline do. You see me? Yeah, man, I youths them same way. You see me? Them are found up in a different generation. You see me? Yeah, man.
You know we have done great before, we have to just show respect, you see me?
So wait there, the man have a youth.
People may come with a piece of a little documentary thing, you see. Wait, man, and the soon see what going on. Wait, man, you see it. But people, you don't know. Look at announcement thing go on a regular and a way. So I'm tell you, saying, you see some of them Some of them Gaza people, I mean, I tell you. You see, when it comes to controversy and drama, that's how them run with. Something where it even make no sense. Whenever talk about the music, them not no sense about it. You see me? But I want to listen what that brother you say, because I don't know. Yo, I just feel like say them youth here. You look at them guys, them bury alkaline on them mind to rot it. To be honest. But listen what I go on.
Put a forward and a grand pitney forward same time. Bumbo clot. A DJ Palmer. You know you say 13 years and still a shoot. Them can't hold them. So wait, stop a minute. Alkaline. Here what I go on now. So you know announce your fiancé. Alkaline, the crowd been away for you announce your fiancé. And that is not no about my lifestyle in the media. I'm not post my youth. Alkaline and have a youth. Alkaline, me tell you the truth. You have to do better now. Alkaline a time now.
People. So me I talk about. But tell you say when it comes to Vice Cartel, it even gonna get worse, you know. Well, I not even know where we're going down. Remember me tell you what Media Facts talk. But tell you no say, you see them Gaza people here, them couldn't be an Alkaline fan. And me know why. You see, most of them people here, them love people business. Them love people private life. And at that, them love with Vice Cartel. 1% of music. But you see 99%, I will Cartel do. And I'm going to do a documentary, it forward soon. Maybe after that video too. You understand? But me I try to show you say, they want Alkaline be Vice Cartel so much. Even Vice Cartel himself want Alkaline to be him. Wait till I go drop a documentary after this and I go show now. See? But Vice Cartel announce, pre this in people, look how simple. Vice Cartel announce, say, him fiancé pregnant, pan regular and listen up people. Vice Cartel, say him announce him pregnant. Him breed see them, right? Pre this in people. How, wait there, see them on Alkaline usually there? Or there's a family or something, me not understand. How many dancehall artists in a dancehall where no have no youth yet? See? Where they call it? When you don't know them girl, you don't know which one of them bonify. But them want Alkaline to be Vice Cartel so much. So that them want Alkaline to show him woman and to show him private life so much. And you say if Alkaline do that, them are going to say him a follow Cartel. Me don't know how comes Vice Cartel announces see them breed. How Alkaline forward na this. Me see the trend people. It a trend boy all the place. Man I say man forward from prison and a bag of thing and ray. This and that. Me never know say man they if a man they a prison and ray, where that stop him from having pitney? Me not say man they a prison have pitney and road same way. Saying? But that's why I try to show you people. Them man they want Alkaline to be Vice Cartel so much. You have to rate one artist, you know. For some little awkward and some little unnecessary things you call him name up in, you know. Just for showing you say, you can't just focus on the artist and where am I going with. You have to bring up Alkaline. And that's why the youth great. Him have to grateful to call him name. You understand? Yeah, man. Come in and look how much dancehall artists out there were pregnant them woman. Oh, me never hear you say, yo, Alkaline, Ray. Me so much artists out there I have pitney. No man, me no want Alkaline to follow them. I can't tell me want him follow. But listen to the video.
Hey, Alkaline fans them. Oh, the boss now have a post for showing the same of a youth. So you tell me say Alkaline son have a birthday? That you try to tell me? Big up yourself, DJ Palmer. Blood clad, the man is still a show.
If you think say Alkaline is a girl, you think that Alkaline on the pitney, and you feel and think that Alkaline is supposed to prove something to you by showing you his kids are kid.
Yo, let me tell you this, people. Me nah no time. That's what I'm telling you already, you know. You have people who love music, and you have the people who love artists, life, and them lifestyle. See? Or whatever them a do. Remember, say, music make you know artists. And artists make you know music. If 99% of them artists never do music, you wouldn't care about them, you wouldn't even meds them. You understand? So, Alkaline having a child or not. See? First of all, them man they don't even show them private life. Much less if we go show up picnic and all of them things, them G. Alkaline know him, they more the people them focus on the music, and that with them. Vybz Kartel no make Gaza people focus on music. No. Came out, I mean, been a release music and them not pay it no mind. You notice performance go on a regular, what go viral? And then performance. I see them pregnant. What that show you say? It's nothing to do with music. It just controversy and them look unnecessary thing there. Artists breed woman every day. You understand? But when it comes to Vybz Kartel, I just that the controversy, all of them look thing there. You understand? So if Alkaline want to show him this or not, I mean no wrong if Alkaline never youth out there and him hide him youth or whatsoever do him want to do. Him is an artist. Private life, a private life, artist publicly, yeah, that different from private life. You understand? Uno just one piece in a people business because Vybz Kartel is showing his whole business. And then when people criticize him now, Uno say people are bad mind. No nonsense. So if Alkaline start show him girl and him ray, now the same thing Uno come do. Eh? That me I try to show you, man. The brain come like a matches box.
I don't know everything about you. And every artist publicize in personal life. Music career and personal life is two different things. And from Alkaline,
yeah, man, it's music up in the background. But I real talk. Yeah, man, I real talk, people.
and boss I say my move. Remember, man say antisocial, you know. So if you feel that, I don't know what to think about you. I don't know what to think about you.
So you don't know social tube, a bag of thing. Me see Able Boss run out. One bag of thing. I don't know, it look like him a beat everybody for him. For Vybz Kartel. I tell you about them money, you know. Yo, I know that. The money is so emotional, dog. But social tube, tell him what go on, man.
Boss run out.
So
Pause I heard.
I do want to be there yesterday, Zane. I talk about how Cartel tell the people them like about how him breed see them. And I point out to the people them say, yo, I lie my tell. Because based on him age and the disease we have, it is quite possible. Say, I lie my tell. Saying can't breed see them. I gave them some facts. You understand? The people them hurt. Majority of the comment section when you check it, they are Plaza fans. They are so emotional. They are so hurt. Everybody run out. I chat about this, I chat about that. Look on the idiot here. This is money. Pile boss. Now, of all the persons in the world, Pile boss, you are the one and only person that should never, ever. Matter of fact, why are you still on the internet?
That me I say no. That's why I tell you. You see, some of the time I have to just laugh. Internet, social media way make something just happen and just gone, you know, people. Able Boss run out. So him a beat everybody who talk about see them and Cartel. See? But one picture soon forward. You understand? So social tube must say something and one bag of thing over there crash out. But sometimes G is like I don't know. It's like when you connect. I don't know. When you just connect to a man so much, where I don't think when you would fight, when you go on over on a family. I tell you no. I don't think when you go on so. I remember one youth, a man say, him daughter pass away. Right? And him never cry. And when Vybz Kartel forward the road, I water forward him eye. People, boy, man, I tell you, yo, that word, yeah, we're going to see some crazy things. You see me?
Pile Boss, we all know what you did. It was all over the media, what you did. So, Pile Boss, why are you still even on the media? It simply shows that you are willing to do just about anything for money. You are willing to do just about anything to get recognition. So, people, look on the picture yourself.
People, boy. The man do an AI picture, right? I don't know if you want to see it up yourself, you know. See? The man do an AI picture, people. Able Boss. See the man Cartel a kiss. And look where man put himself. Behind Cartel. And look. I don't know where man look pan. Or what. But that's how I tell you say the man are ups. Yo, the man I really love man, me G. The man AI in picture. Behind Vybz Kartel, you know. See? Behind Vybz Kartel. And see them and Vybz Kartel a kiss. Bro, no pre them mentality them, G. You understand? We the people. Because I actually want I actually want to make you see it, make you see what I go on, you know. You see me? I want to show you a picture, because this even see you. See it now, people. This man, one picture with Cinnamon Cartel, and look where man stand up. The man AI himself put in one picture, watch Cartel and something. Yo, dog. Able boss. Bro, you, me no know wrong with you, know, G. Yo, one of them on a different world, me G. Me I tell you no. You see me? So me go
People,
back
so
in the
who's
video, people. You see me? We go back in the video. You see it?
The man put himself in a picture with the Vibes Cartel. And just look how the man a pre-Vibes Cartel. That's pretty, man. This man a pass Sprat level. Not even know when we reach. Must wheel by this time. So you, Mr. Pile Boss, here we go.
So the reason why them call him Pile Boss, him usually talk to this woman, you know, I think I want gift her. And then the man take a picture, a Ray from Rona and back or whatsoever, and send the woman just for money. And at them money I say Gaza. That's why I can AI him picture behind a next man. Yo, dog, may I tell you, yo, uno dog, yo, at the end of the day, now music me love, you know. Me no love, man. You see me? Yeah, man. Cause you will never see me do them thing with no artist. I hear me picture in a watch artist and woman and bro, dog, we don't even fall off the internet, me G.
Just go and do it, you don't know me, I don't know you. You get me idea with it? This is called social media. Cool? Don't take it that serious. You get me? Yeah, man.
I'm gonna tell you the God Almighty truth. See? You know what Reggae Land show me? Eh? Some of can't nobody dog. I swear to you. Me I watch every single performance in a virgin. Me I tell you say, yo, me start Alkaline never depend on the show. I'm just saying. Me start Alkaline never depend on the show. And yeah, me start Alkaline never depend on the show and they over the massacre part.
Why, me I tell you. If uno no rate Alkaline, something wrong. Something really wrong, bro. So now tell me, say, Vice Cartel dip on a show. I'm sorry, say Alkaline never dip on the show. John, no people. Me I tell you. I don't think, yo, me I tell you, brother, them money have to rate to artists every day, so me G. You understand? But listen what I say.
Vice Cartel destroy Reggae Land. And as me tell you, say, Vice Cartel just announced, say, him baby pregnant. Him not even say pregnant all time out. Him just put him thing right there, so.
Him baby pregnant or him woman. I don't understand. Correct that.
And the crowd, yo, they can't make this thing up. All the man do I just put on him head right on the belly. And the crowd real. You can imagine that the entire crowd real. You know, entire crowd real up. And Massey can get the entire crowd for real up. So, if you're sang, you know, and Vice Cartel get the entire crowd for real up by putting him ears right at the belly. And Massey can't get that for a song. No?
People, man, tell you say the money don't care nothing about music. Nothing about music. Why you see them bring down the most artists in a dancehall? Because if them they love music, them would have cheer on them artists and say, yo, do it, youth. But I know that them there for. Because this man, so wait, Reggae Land turn announcing platform now, where announcing pregnancy platform now. Me did think the artists go on it for perform. So man, so not talk nothing about Vice Cartel performance. Not talk about Vice Cartel and put him head. I see them belly. Bro. That's why I'm tell you, yo, if I this no call dancehall in me G, brother, it done. Dancehall done and dead, brother. Remember me tell you that.
I travel. Me sorry say Alkaline never did on the show. Me wish Reggae Land did have Alkaline on the show. I hope the next time Reggae Land I keep 2027, Alkaline dip on the show. Me not tell you lie. Alkaline for dip on Reggae Land next time 2027. Me not tell you lie. God, this would separate. This would really actually, even though it already have done that, for separate Vibes Cartel from little boys, but this is more for separate big man from little boys. Because, trust me know say people know Alkaline song them. You get me I say? Me know say people know Alkaline song them. Yeah man, because I go somewhere already and hear Alkaline song. I mean I say, me remember me then I want store.
But then I want to store, I don't want to go to Thailand. But I want to store somewhere. I'm here Alkaline. I'm here Alkaline song I'm there on. Yeah, brata boss. You see me? Yeah. So, I wish Alkaline did on the stage show.
Yo, dog. Yo, brother. Yo, me tell you, brother, I tell you, the man I can't do without alcohol. Yo, some of them guys are people here, bro. I tell you, brother. The man say, I wish Alkaline did on the show. The man him have them artists on the show and I wish. And none of them artists. People, it show you. Imagine the man saying wish Alkaline did on the show. John, oh, yo. Me I tell you no. If Alkaline, yo, it come like Alkaline say if him not the juggling, nobody put it out.
To level the playing field, you know, with a massacre to Alkaline performance with the crowd. Because like me tell you, I'm not gonna tell no lie. Out of Reggae land, in a Reggae land crowd, I think massacre have the less cheering theme, dog.
Don't DJ. You know, we are better defender now. And I look funny from what you know. I never do no video from what you. Because I realize no matter what you do, like music Alkaline. Nah, you ever get me DJ.
Yeah, man, them not go do that, my G. So Alka for just go and do it, man. You see me? Yeah, man, them not go. You see it? Them not really care about the music. Me tell you already, you know. Big up Ambassador, you don't know. Check him out over TikTok there. You see me? Just know say them not really care about the music. You see me? Yeah, I just gone in it's like a reality show with dancehall thing right now. You see me? Yeah.
So you know you do? I'm here bug up people from what you talk about. You catch Vard the big riches all the time. If you catch Moscow the big riches all the time. You come to a resolution say, a realization say, if
Ambassador, you have got to take out the music them out of your background, no, my G. Yeah, man, take out the music them out of your background. Cause you know, they want to hear what I go on. You see it? Mad thing.
You clash Papa Son, Super Cat, Ninja Man, and still won't give you forget. Just go and focus on some hit song, go and focus on some 100 million views, 200 million likes, and a bag of stream, just go and focus on some of that for DJ. And lower them, man, because they don't argue with it. No time at all, they don't argue with it. Okay, who kill a dancer? Okay, who kill and argue with it? And they want to make sure if them boss hide, someone go hide, and after the clash and say, if me clash him, they kill him.
You know, so you go, man. Them have to protect, you know. Them have to protect legacy, you know. You see me? Sometimes people, rather than know, say, yo, them don't want to go down the road with them legacy. They might just say, yo, them bigger, them this, them that. Yo, now no time for that. Them done with this. I just say, go. You see me? At the end of the day, nothing no change.
So you go, man. They just go and focus on Smith, man. You know, respond to what they want to say. Because as far as you see it right now, they don't argue every day. As far as you see, no matter what you are doing music right now, how you been to do for the past 13, 14 years now, they still not argue, you forget. They still not acknowledge you. Because they don't really like you as a person. You know what I mean? Because you not say what them say. You not say them what you want. You not say what they want to say. And they don't really like you for that. So, some DJ just go and focus on some hit song, some more hit song. Go and focus on the leadism. You do well with the leadism. Go and focus on the killer. And I watch him here. Oh, so they are said weird.
Yeah, man, a mad thing, man. Big up Ambassador. You don't know. Real data youth in the street, you know? Yeah, man, I'm going to give some little words and motivation, you see me? Yeah, man, Alka does a focus on the price, you know? You see me? My build a legacy. You see it? Him now make body can't dry him out. And I just one of them thing, the militant youth, and just keep himself to himself. You see me? No energy draining. You see it? Yeah, man, a mad thing. But people, big up on yourself, you know? You don't know one media facts pan yak, you know? You see me? Yeah, man. You don't know. I will speak truth and facts. You see it? Yeah, man. Mad thing, man. That is it.